Amusement park, kids vocabulary.
We are going to the amusement park. Mum buys the tickets on the ticket booth. Ticket booth. Then we take the amusement park map. Amusement park map. I like the roller coaster. Whoa! Whoa! Roller coaster. I like the big wheel. Big wheel. I like the merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. We like the bumper cars. Bumper cars. We like the haunted house. Haunted house. We like the parade. Parade. And before going home, we like to go to the food court. Food court. We love amusement parks.
And you? Let's like, share and subscribe the channel.